An export ban has been placed on an Iron Age harness brooch which was discovered near Sutton, Scotney in Hampshire. The brooch, consistent with the Latin culture, is one of only 10 such artefacts known to have survived for 2 millennia in the ground, and is thought to be a component of a harness from a horse-drawn vehicle, designed to connect the straps to fabric on the horse's back. Unusually, the brooch includes both a hinged pin and strap loops on the back, a combination not found on brooches worn by people at this time. Its decoration, with intricate carved shapes and basket weave texture, links it with designs found on other metal objects from that time found in Britain and across Europe. It exhibits the best casting achievable in the pre-mechanised period, and is in good condition in comparison to similar brooches from the period, the majority of which are incomplete. The brooch was discovered in Sutton, Scotney, Hampshire, and provides valuable new evidence for the use of horse-drawn vehicles in the nearby Iron Age hill forts towards the end of the first millennium BC. Arts Minister Sir Chris Bryant said, "This harness brooch dating back to the Iron Age is a rare artefact that is of major importance to the local history of Hampshire. I hope, by placing an export bar on this rare brooch, it will continue to benefit the UK public and researchers in the study of the horse harness, chariotry, and the crafting of metalwork, enriching our understanding of our country's history." Committee member Tim Pestel said, "For Britons in the late Iron Age, horsemanship and charioteering were prized skills, both socially and in warfare, as noted by the Roman invaders. This pride led people to decorate their horses with ornate tack and fittings, one of the rarest forms being so-called horse brooches, of which only 10 are known in Britain, most of them fragmentary. With its exceptional preservation, intriguing basket weave pattern and outstanding aesthetic design, the Sutton Scotney brooch is a remarkable survival. Now a bar has been placed upon its export, I hope that a museum will be able to acquire this 2,000-year-old testament to the British love of horses for public benefit." The Minister's decision follows the advice of the Reviewing Committee of the Export of Works of Art and Objects of Cultural Interest. The committee made its recommendation on the basis that the brooch met the first, second and third Waverley criteria for its outstanding connection with the UK's history and national life, its outstanding aesthetic importance, and its outstanding significance to the study of the horse harness, chariotry, the crafting of metalwork and textiles. The decision on the export licence application for the brooch will be deferred for a period ending on the 9th of March 2025 inclusive. At the end of the first deferral period, owners will have a consideration period of 15 business days to consider any offers to purchase the brooch at the recommended price of £18,500 plus VAT of £3,700, which can be reclaimed by an eligible institution. The second referral period will commence following the signing of an option agreement and will last for 3 months. Offers from public bodies for less than the recommended price through the private treaty sale arrangements, where appropriate, will also be considered by the Minister. Such bodies could include museums. The UK government said in a statement, "Such purchases frequently offer substantial financial benefit to a public institution wishing to acquire the item." But what do you think? Should there be an export bar on this item? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description or via YouTube. Super thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.